G'day guys, this weekend me and Zephyr are fishing the Murray River at one of our favourite little spots. We're just going to set up camp and head out fishing first thing tomorrow. Pretty good weather this weekend, pretty hot. Should be able to get some natives. Beautiful spot, love fishing the Murray.
Yep.
Really nice spot. Quick bait fishing session, Zeph. But we won't be trolling tonight because we went a bit too hard into the bank accidentally.
Learned how to park.
We broke the propeller on the Minn Kota, but we got a spare, so we'll put on a spare for tomorrow's trolling session. Broke the blade clean off. Came in a bit too hot, Zeph.
You sped up.
We misjudged it. Anyway, quick bait fishing session. We'll fit a new propeller tonight, back into it tomorrow.
Yep.
See what we can catch here. Hopefully they're biting on bait because we're not trolling for the rest of the night now. Put on a little yabby, little circle hook, running sinker rig. What could possibly go wrong? Right, should be yellas down here. You reckon there's a yellow there?
Oh, hope so.
Should be a yellow hanging around that.
Well, you'd think there would be, but... We'll probably get some tonight at camp because the cooler water, the shallower the water, the cooler it'll be.
Oh, it's flying more now too. Oh. We got one.
Nice one.
The bait fishing wasn't working, so I did a bit of cast and retrieve from the boat. What's he thinking eating that though? We've been bait fishing for ages, no bites. Because we broke the propeller on the electric motor. That wasn't working, so I did a bit of cast and retrieve. This bad boy showed up.
Maybe our yabbies aren't big enough for him.
All the shrimp died because it's too hot. Here we go. Right. That's cool. I'll have to go back in the shore soon and repair that electric motor propeller ready for tomorrow's fishing. Beautifully eyed-eye. Cool little fish. Oh, he's off. He's not happy. Oh, a couple more casts and we'll go in and fix that propeller. She no good, is it, Zeph?
No.
One of those don't tell mum moments. It's a beautiful morning on the Murray River there.
Yep.
Early morning start, trolling lures. Will we catch them? The water's pretty hot. We'll see if we can get them to bite. Let's head out there, prime time now. Hope that new propeller works on the electric motor.
Yeah.
Ooh, there's bait buckets there.
Yeah.
We're off. Troy and Geordie are off. Off to the secret spot. Righto, we'll troll along this bank, looks alright. So using the backup propeller for the electric, I hope it works.
Yeah.
That should. Yes, it works. Stump jumper. What do you got?
No, I'm not using that. I'm using hammerhead.
Hammerhead.
And this stumpy.
That's a good one. Righto. Hang him out there. A little bit out of tune, this one. Retune it.
Too many snags.
Probably. Better. it's better now. It was worse before.
So there you go, a bit more to the right.
You bend it the opposite direction that it's going.
Yeah.
Now she's going to be spot on. You reckon? Not much happening.
No.
We're trying. Nice morning, but it'd be nicer with fish. You got one now, Zeph?
Yep.
Yellow, I reckon. Oh, is that a carp?
It's a carp.
It's a carp. That's not cool. What's going on? Carp on a stump jumper?
Yeah, wow.
Get him before the hook tears out. That's disappointing, isn't it? How's the netting going?
Cool, you're not getting him for us.
Got him. Wow. I'm not sure if I've caught a carp on a hard body lure before. That's not cool. That's not cool at all, Zeph. Yeah. Interesting. Can't believe it. Thought we had a yellow. Look what happened. Alright, let's get a decent fish. Can't believe that. Not cool.
Oh, it's an orgy.
It is not. Oh, it is too.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that. Just look.
I got a new orgy.
It's a good lure. Good spotting, Zeph. Righto, Zeph. We spent the morning lure trolling. Didn't do any good really, apart from a carp. Carp on a lure, but that's it. Had one other hit. Bit quiet.
Yep.
Water's a little bit dirty and it's been dropping a bit. So we're going to bait fish now, the backup plan. Got some yabbies, large yabbies, little yabbies, and we just got some shrimp.
Yep.
Let's see if that works for us. If that doesn't work, I don't know what we're doing.
Swimming.
Pretty cool. Water skink.
Yep.
G'day, mate. Whoa, that's a carp, isn't it? What do you got? Shark. It's taking a bit of getting in.
On the way out.
Should be able to see him soon. Oh yeah, he's a big one.
Another surprise there.
He's a big carp.
Yep. Another carp.
Big one. Big carp, Zeph.
Yeah.
Good job. Gave you a bit of a battle.
Yep.
Nice one. Pity it's not a cod though.
Yep.
Oh, nice fish. Good job. You got one, Zeph. You got one. Good job. Carp. Oh no.
Of course.
What do we think?
Rubbish.
Rubbish.
Wasted some shrimp.
You got one though. Another bite, Zeph. How come you're getting bites and I'm not? Oh, Zephyr. You got one there.
Oh, feels like a carp.
Not cool. It's a black carp.
It's like a temp.
It's the blackest carp I've seen for a long time. It's funny. Oh. Time to move spots.
Away from Carp Island, this is awesome.
I don't like Carp Island. Big carp. We don't want that.
Like the rest. Oh no, they can swim pretty
Look at him. It's like a goanna nest. So that's a lace monitor.
Yeah, second one just visited in Australia.
Pretty cool. Yellowbelly. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Nice yellow. I knew we'd get one sooner or later. Beautiful. Nice fish. So is it Goanna Island, Carp Island or Yellowbelly Island? It's a nice fish.
Yeah.
Yes, happy days. It's a good fish. I'll get out away from those snags. Oh, gotta be a cod. Oh, he's right in those snags. He's right in there. We got him out of the snag. I thought that was gone. Cod or a carp?
Hopefully cod.
It looks coddy. It looks like a big one.
Carp.
Oh my god. It is too. Oh no.
It's a size 1 stumpy, isn't it?
Nah.
Are you putting that too?
That's not good.
Not ideal.
Second carp on the lure. Wow. Not cool. Carp on lures, huh? That's pretty disappointing. Carp on a stump jumper lure. We thought we had a good fish. It snagged me and everything. Not cool. Yeah, well, it's all good fun, isn't it? You got a fish there. Well done.
I'm a hammer. Is it a fish?
It looked like it.
It did.
I reckon he might have snagged you. Oh, he's about to come up. Good job, that's a yellow. It's a yellowbelly.
Not a bad one.
He's a stonker. I thought that was a cod. He's a big one. He's a good yellow. Slammed that lure. I was just about to give up trolling. It's a beautiful yellowbelly. Pretty big. Thought it was a cod. Put up a pretty good fight. It's on heavy gear. Big stump jumper. Happy days. Happy days. I don't know if he's still on there. I think he is. Not very big. Just after it went into a snag. He's off the snag now. I think. I got him out. Oh, there is a fish. We do have a fish. Yeah, it feels heavy. because he's going through all the logs. Didn't feel heavy to start with. I think he's just in a heap of timber. Oh, it's a yellow. It's tiny. And he caused all that trouble. That's a tiny yellow for that lure. We got him now. That's how you catch him. Yep. He snagged me and everything. Little yellow is pretty hungry eating that. He's pretty keen eating a size 1 stumpy, that yellow. Happy days. So camping, fishing trip up the Murray. What do you reckon, Zeph? Good fun?
It was alright.
Got lots of these snags.
Yep.
Got a few yellas, but we had to work pretty hard. Lots of carp.
Yeah.
Good to see you back in a video, been a while.
Yep. Yeah.
Anyway, we're going to wrap it up now and get this snag off for Zephyr.
I got it.
You got it off already. 100th snag for the day. Hope you've enjoyed the video and catch us on the next one. Happy days.
Yeah.